Let's make banana bread today. Really great recipe using flour, mashed bananas, butter, sugar, an egg, vanilla essence, baking powder, and soda. These are dry ingredients. Half cup sugar, half cup of softened butter, about 3 mashed ripe bananas, 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I've creamed the butter and sugar together until it's smooth and mashed up the bananas really well so it's not lumpy. Give it a good mix. Add the egg, stir it in well. And now pour in the mashed bananas. Give it a good stir along with the vanilla essence. Good splash. Stir, stir, stir until it's incorporated together. Now stir in the dry ingredients slowly. Just fold everything in your bowl together. You don't have to overmix. Just fold it in until the mixture is moist and cake-like consistency of the batter. Toss in your chocolate chips. You could use crushed nuts or any other mix-in that you like. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper and grease it. Pour the batter into the pan. Have your oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. You could top the batter in the pan with more crushed nuts if you'd like. There you go. Let it cool for a few minutes before you cut it in. A good drizzle of powdered sugar to make it look pretty. To serve. Enjoy your banana bread.